Hi everyone, it's Dee. How are you? Yes, it has been a bit. It's been a bit since I've done a video. It's been about 3.5 months, 4 months. I've missed you guys, and thank you so much for those of you that have reached out to me just to say hello or just to make sure to check in to see how I was doing. So everything's been fine. I've been just really busy. Beautycounter has kept me busy as well as my photography, makeup, and just life. Like my kiddo, this is his first year in kindergarten, or first year in school. He's in kindergarten. It's almost over. I can't believe it. PTA, all those things. I've been quite involved, so it's kept me really busy. But I've missed you all, so I hope you have been well, and I hope all is well in your world. As you can see, I have a new do. What do you think? Honest opinions. I love it. I was ready for a change, and so why not just go all out? The bangs, blonde, shorter. I needed a change. So anyway. I thought I would do a video on Beautycounter's one of their new products, which is the one-step makeup remover wipes. One-step makeup remover wipes. Yay! And I don't know about y'all, but I have had problems in the past using cleansing wipes. They'll either irritate my skin, I'll get a little bit of that stinging feeling, and I actually really don't have super sensitive skin, but even the natural wipes that I've looked into have been really irritating around the eye, so I still use a separate eye makeup remover. Now, I wouldn't say use this instead of washing your face. I mean, really, try to wash your face as much as possible, but I will tell you, these are fabulous for a lazy night or a late night where, you just can't quite do the steps. And so just take off your makeup. And as a makeup artist, sometimes we're the worst. Like, and you all are. But it's true. Like sometimes we'll sleep in our makeup, and yeah, that has happened to me. But these are fantastic. They don't bother my skin. They're actually really light and refreshing. So, anyways, I just thought I'd just remove my makeup since it's the end of the day here. It's about 10:30. So, I love y'all if I'm doing a video at 10:30. So anyways, I'll just go ahead and demonstrate for you before I go to bed. So anyways, they come 30 wipes per pack. I just got these like a few days ago. So still trying to figure it all out. So 30 per pack. And they're compostable, by the way. So you can just throw this in your compost and biodegradable. So they're pretty big, as you can see. It's a nice size. They have kind of like a waffle kind of texture to it, which is nice because that means it's going to get in there and remove the makeup. So I'm just going to demonstrate and try to do this quickly. I have a little friend on my chin, so I'll be putting the charcoal mask on that because it definitely needs to be detoxed and everything brought to the surface. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm using, wow, okay. As you can see, it's definitely removing my eye makeup. And I have my contacts in, so I haven't even taken them off yet. Doesn't bother my contacts. And I kind of just lightly brush them up on my lashes. And as you can see, it's removing everything. Look at that. Wow, right? Well, so I did tint skin. I did everything today. I had appointments, so I had to have full face of makeup. But as you can just see, look at that. It just takes off everything. And it's really light and refreshing. It does have aloe in it, so that is going to soothe and hydrate. And it also has cornflower water. So what that's also going to do is just calm and soothe the skin. What I smell in here too, it's like apple. I do smell like a bit of apple, and that's because of the apple amino acids, and that will just help give more of a gentler clean, but help clean the face. It takes off my lip gloss. I mean, it's definitely removing everything. So now I've got to do this eye. Now the thing about having bangs, which is nice, is I'm not really putting makeup on my forehead at all, so I'm not even really dealing with it. So less makeup on my face, I guess, is better. But as you can see, not bothering my eyes. My eyes are not watering. And there's my beautiful friend. Hi. Hey, this is life. I mean, I do not have perfect skin. But I do have the perfect product that's going to purify and clean that up. And I'll let that sit about 15 minutes. I'm actually going to put our balancing and charcoal mask on. So see, you're getting like a couple of things here. There we go. Couple products. So this is the charcoal mask. Might as well talk about it. So charcoal, you know, detoxifies. Hi, I'm pretty. And it detoxifies, purifies, and it also has green tea in it. So it's going to be soothing. It's not going to be harsh, but it's going to bring everything to the surface. So I'm going to let this sit maybe 10, 15 minutes, maybe even longer as I continue to settle down and get stuff ready for bed. And then I'll just remove it before bed. So as you can see, my face is super clean. It's really light. My eyes are not watering. Again, I'm wearing contacts. Didn't bother me at all. And so now I'm just going to make sure and put on my night serum. And tonight I'm going to do the, I might as well just do this now, the Countermatch Intense Moisture Serum. See, I'm just winging it tonight. Just winging it for y'all. It's been a while, so... So right now I've been really dry here in Dallas. The weather has been kind of hot, cold. Today it was hot. It was kind of chilly and rainy, but it's been so warm. Oh, it's just been crazy. So just put a little bit on my forehead. So I'm using the Intense Hydrating Serum from Countermatch. And that's just going to give me the hydration that I need, but I just need an extra boost. And then I'm also using the Recovery Sleeping Cream, which is like one of my favorite products. It's a newer product. I haven't actually done a video on it yet, but if you can see the packaging, all you have to do is do this, and it gives you just like the right amount. And you don't have to stick your finger into anything, which is kind of cool. So anywho, this is going to give me that extra moisture that I need since I've been more dry than usual. Oh yeah, it feels so good. It's so soothing. This is just one of my favorite moisturizers. And of course I love the face oil still. There we go. And then of course I can't forget some eye cream, and I'm going to use the Rejuvenating Eye Cream tonight. This is definitely more for anti-aging or just for more preventative and to keep it hydrated, but helps with dark circles, puffiness, and it actually helps with like the dark spots that you get like around your eyes as well. The little sunspots, as you can see right here. All right, I guess I'm ready for bed. Anyway, there are a lot of wonderful things that are coming, that are going to happen with Beautycounter this year. I mean, a lot of new products, a lot of new exciting things. So definitely stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Again, it's Goodness Greenish, and I'm Dee. So please message me with any questions, or if you need anything, you can shop the links below. And at the end of my videos, I always talk about the Beautycounter opportunity. Can you take me seriously with the charcoal mask on my chin? Seriously, if you've been thinking about joining Beautycounter and our mission, I don't know if you're already speaking with somebody, go back to them, sign up, be a part of our mission. We need more voices. If you're looking for a consultant or a mentor to work with, I love helping women build their business, and however big, small you want that, it's just such an empowering thing, and it's just something that I really enjoy. It's like my favorite part of my job is to help other women help themselves and be empowered. Anyway, I've missed you guys. You'll be seeing me soon with more videos, and we'll talk soon. Okay, bye. Till next time.